Thankfully, I skipped the tornado. Wait, let me check my tornado map. Oh my god, what is that? Oh no, I'm just going to drive off. I don't want to be cooked. Just kidding, I'm just gonna intercept it. Okay, we wait. Okay, I need to drive off. Haha, you losers, you cannot catch me! Dude, why is it coming so fast? At least I'm going to deploy my spikes. Here we go! Dude, no wonder it's so dark. At least I'm going to turn on my headlights. Okay, let me just check my radar.
Scanning. 1,300 miles per hour.
1,300 miles per hour? Well, I'm definitely cooked. Is it? Well, I think I have a 10 feet spike supporting me. Wait, let me just check. I think we're in the center of the storm. Wait, what did you say? I think we're in the center of the storm. Wait, let me check my radar again.
Scanning. 4,900 miles per hour.
We're so screwed! Wait, I think we're in the core. Wait, what did you say? Core. I think the core reaches about 10,000 miles per hour. Maybe we should get out. No! We couldn't lift our spikes up. We will get sucked in by the tornado. Wait, not sucked up. Then what? How about we wait a few minutes and wait until the tornado leaves? That's a genius idea. Yes, we should wait. Wait, let me check the radar if it has changed.
Scanning. 160 miles per hour.
I think we're leaving. Wait, let me check my map. Let's go! It finally left. Well, I don't need the spikes anymore.